course, like everybody is feared of failing in life, right? But like I hate spiders.
I hate dogs.
Like I'm fine with snakes. I'm fine with lizards. I'm fine. Spiders, 8 legs. These guys. Why do you have 8 legs?
Why? Just
Why do you have so many eyes? Why? Why do you need to look
if I
at
see
me?
a spider,
Why do you need to look at me at so many different angles? Like why?
Need to analyze it.
I'm serious. Why are you looking that hard?
Need to analyze it.
No.
No, my answer
hate
is
spiders.
dogs.
Dogs